I'm in a bit of a dilemma. I'm in Kashmir at the moment, and I'm gonna be here for a while. And one day I was praying in the masjid, and I prayed with my hands up high on my chest. And the Imam approached me and said, "What are you doing? Are you a Wahabi? Are you this and that? You're gonna crop our children." And my question is, should I pray behind him or not?
Yes, you can pray behind him because this ignorant imbecile does not own the masjid. The masjid is the house of Allah. He has no authority on forcing people to pray as he wishes. Whether you're a Wahabi or you're a Hanafi or you're a Shafi'i or you're a Maliki, this is none of his, excuse my French, business. So yes, pray in the masjid. Whenever he comes and approaches you, just give him a smile, like a stupid smile, and don't reply to him. Don't argue with him. Don't speak to him except by nodding your head, and let him be. Because he's like, with all due respect, a fly. You're not gonna fight with a fly. You just do this and ignore it and it will go away. So these people, whether you're in Kashmir or in Pakistan or in Bangladesh, they are ignorant imbeciles. And I say it with a loud voice because they have no authority on Muslims to practice whatever they want. Akhi, if I want to put my hands on my side or put them beneath my navel or put them on my chest, it's none of your business. So who cares what they think or what they say? Just ignore them. Don't pay attention. Don't pick up a fight because it's not worth it. Just smile to them and let them go away.